All right, guys, we are going to start a session of R programming. R programming is good for data analysis because it is a computer programming. That means you can manipulate your data as well as you want, and it is free available for anyone. So the first step. This episode, we are going to learn how to install it and manipulate some basic statistics. All right, go ahead in Google and try to write R Studio. When it come to this website, posit.com, and click on that. Then you see this tab, RStudio Desktop. If you try to move down, you will see two important things. While using R, you will need two setup. The first one is R, and the second one is RStudio. So R is a backup of your RStudio. So you will do most of things in the RStudio. Now, go ahead and download and install R. After that, go ahead and download RStudio Desktop for Windows. It will download the latest version as you will see. Now, after that, you can go ahead, maybe from your computer, you can search R Studio. Here it is. Then right click. You can learn as you want. You can pin to taskbar so that it is easy for you to access. All right, mine is on my taskbar. If I click on it, it will open. And some moment to open it. All right. All right, as you can see, this is our studio. It looks very nice and very clean, very empty. And if you realize, it has four panels. The first panel, this one, is your script, R script panel. It is where you will do almost all things. If you say one plus one control enter, you will see it is 2. So the result is coming to the second panel, which is console panel. And we have right top corner, we have environment panel, and it will view your files. You will see it soon. So the last panel is file panel, where you will see your navigation panel, where everything will be saved and you can explore it from there. So every panel here is very important. All right, let's go ahead and start to explore everything here. Let's start from file. So from file, you can see new file. You can import. You can create a new file. If it is R script, here it will open like this one. You see, we had untitled 1, but we create another untitled 2. Back to file, you have a new project. You can work as a project if you have some people you are working on together. And you see, you can explore the recent files or my file. I can access any one I want, and you can import data from any format, from Excel, from SPSS, from SAS, from Stata, from any format. Then it is where you can save your file. You can save as, or you can save a normal if you already saved your file. So you can save everything in these panels. So you see, you can even print and close. If you close, then you are closing your software. All right, let's go to edit. Edit, you can go back or use Control F9, or you can undo or just use your Control Z, or you redo Control Shift Z. You can cut, you can copy, you can paste whatever here. Everything is just like other software in this edit. If you go to code, then you can see and explore everything here. And if you go to view, you can see some more functions like zoom in, zoom out. But most of the time for me, like zoom in, it is a control equal button, and the zoom out control minus button. Let's say here you see, if I want to zoom, I will tap on my control tab and the equal tab. Like see, you see it is magnifying. If I want to minimize or zoom out, I tap on my control button and the minus button, like this, like this, like this, like this. You can see. All right. So the view is very important. It has many function you can explore with. So let's go ahead and see plots. So nothing we have, so it doesn't show a function. Let's go to session. You can see restart R if your machine is running, so you can restart R. Don't worry to bring everything we were working on. You can load the working directory, as I will show you in the next episodes. So you can go to build and see debug and see what is there, profile. You can see tools, very important here. It is where you can install your packages, and it is where you can see version control you are using. It is where you can see background jobs. It is where you can see your memory. And now let's go to just global options. In the global option, you can see the version of your R, of your R, and let's say you want to see. You see my software here is black, and you can change it. So by now I'm using a Cobalt, but you can change to anything you want. Let's use Xcode. You can see if you scroll down and show up apply. If you tap apply, then um, your software will be black. So it will depend on your wish with your eyes comfortability. Right. So you can go back. For me, I like just um I like black window. So apply, then put my cobalt back. All right, apply and the OK to close this tab. All right, now the help is a very important thing. If you say arrow help here, you click arrow help, the file panel will open and it shows the content where you can read and understand what you were searching. You can search things here like main. If you want to find main, then it will show everything related to main, the code you can use, and some examples. All right. You can also come here in script panel. If you write question mark and the follow up with main, then if you click enter, nothing will come. But if you go back and use control enter, then it will show. So it will again open your documentation in the file panel. for you to read and refer. It will also show what you run on console panel. All right, but you can also go straight in console panel, then use main. For this one, you will not need in console. You don't need control, but you just go ahead and tap on enter. All right. Yes. This is how you can explore everything uh, in RStudio. And in the next episode, we will be able to upload data, to enter data, and the and the and they try to manipulate around, and you see how R is so sweet than any other software you have been using. All right, see you.